Hello everyone. In this example, you will create the solid block element using the snap node solid method. Figure 1 shows the concrete block to be created. To do so, first open the software. After opening the software, the interface will look like this. Now, create a new file. To do so, go to New and the model information page will be displayed on the right. In the file name edit box, write C02 STAAD Connect Example 9 and in the location area, choose Browse and go to C drive STAAD example folder and select the C02 STAAD Connect folder. Choose Select Folder option. Now in the type area, choose Analytical and in the units area, choose Metric. Now choose Create. The file is loaded. Now go to Grids drop down and choose the solid grid option and the snap node solid window is displayed. Now move the cursor at the coordinates 0, 0 and click to create node 1. Next, move the cursor in the x direction and click at the coordinates 4, 0 to create node 2. Similarly, click at coordinates 4, 4 and 0, 4 to create node 3 and 4 respectively. Next, choose the edit button from the snap node solid window. The linear dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, specify -4 in the Z edit box under the grid origin area and then choose OK. The grid move in a new location as shown. Now repeat the step for creating the nodes as done previously. So click on 0, 0, 4, 0, again 4, 4 and 0, 4. Now you can see the solid element is created. Press escape button to exit the command and press Shift N to see the node number and press Shift C to see the solid number. Now choose the save option from the file menu and then save the file. Thank you for watching.